I've been an osteopath for 20 years, and as hard as I've looked, I just haven't been able to find a chair that would fit my patients comfortably. So I decided to try to make one myself, and it's taken 15 years. And I think the result is we've got a chair that is going to change the way the world looks at chairs. So the essence of the idea is really simple. When you're standing, your back has a natural curve called the lumbar lordosis. That allows you to be upright with very little muscular effort. Chairs are pretty unnatural. Most of them have a seat pan which is more or less horizontal, and that is just not a comfortable way to sit. Next time you go out, watch people sitting. You'll see them shuffling to the front of their chair, dropping their knees, and that angle allows the lumbar lordosis to be the same as when you're standing. We call it the golden angle.
Well, it's been the most incredible project to work on. Simon asked us to imagine that we had to send his seat all the way to Mars, where every gram of material used could cost thousands of pounds to get there. So it was all about the strength of the structure and also reducing the weight as much as possible. The chair has 8 contact points with the body and 5 with the floor, and it was our job to connect the 2 with as little aluminium as possible. So it's actually a very simple yet elegant design.
I've made dozens of prototypes. I got stuff from the internet, I've got stuff from DIY shops. At one stage I was in the mould makers pretty much every day. I knew that I needed a chair that would comfortably keep the thighs at 27 degrees and support the ischial tuberosities, or our sitting bones, and if we did that, then the body would provide its own cushion. From the very beginning, the environment has been right up there with comfort in the design process. We've done everything we can at every stage to try to minimise the effect on the environment that producing a chair has. The result is the Freedman Chair weighs just 5 kilograms, whereas the average office chair weighs 20 kilograms. Our chair could save 250 kilograms of carbon dioxide for every chair produced. The big difference is I've been working with people and their bodies for 20 years. I think in that time I've learned enough about bodies where I think I know what they need, and I know what they need in sitting.
I suffered 2 massive strokes in '95. Before then I was physically fit and quite able-bodied person. I sat in Simon's chair, I just automatically start crying because I've forgotten what it feels like to be straight, normal. It's genius.
The evolution of the Freedman Chair has been the most fantastic journey. What we've done is reinvent the chair.